Hello guys, and welcome back to another class of our course about the complete introduction to Adobe Photoshop. So in today's class we are going to work with the picture that we have downloaded in our past class to be able to perform basic things, basic modifications on this picture. So the first thing that we are going to learn is pretty simple. We are going to learn how to make the picture bigger or smaller, and then we are going to learn how to add text on this picture. And this way create a code picture. So for those of you who know what a meme is, you will be able to create memes just after this class. So pretty simple. First thing that we need is the picture that we have downloaded in the past class. So we have it right here. Now let's say we want to make the picture bigger or smaller. What exactly we'll do? So it's pretty simple. We have a shortcut to be able to do this, and it's called Control T. So simply press on your keyboard the Control key and on the letter T at the same time. So you will see something like this that appeared. From this, you can simply make the picture smaller or bigger. It's how you want it. So for the purpose of this class, we are going to make it a little bit bigger, just to write down our code on it. All right, so right now we have a picture that is full screen, which is perfect. That's exactly what we need. And now what we'll do, we'll simply add a text on it. So instead of writing down directly on the picture, we are going to create a layer that will allow us to basically write down on this layer. And if we want to delete the text, we can simply, if we want to take out the text from the picture, we will be able to do it. So we're going to work on the background. So let's say we want to add some text. So pretty simple. We're going to add it right here. So as you can see, when you add some text, it's going to automatically generate a text right here. So we'll write down something that will be, let's say we are writing down never give up. So just select your text and we'll write down never give up. Here we go. So we have our code right here. Now what we want to do, we want to make it a little bit bigger. So it's going to be right here. We can make the text bigger. So let's say we want 50. So here we have our code. Now if you guys want to change the type of text that you want, it's pretty simple. It's going to be here. Once again, I can have sample. I can choose the type of text that I want. So let's say I want this type right here. Then if I want to move my text, it works pretty much the same way as if I want to move a picture. So if I try to move my text by clicking on the letter T right here, it's not gonna work. So I need to select the key right here to be able to move my text around. Then next thing, if I want to modify the color of my text, it's pretty simple. I just select my text. You can modify the color right here, or you can just click on the button right here that will the same thing that is right there will appear here, and you will be able to modify the color of your text. So since our picture in our picture right here is a little bit dark, so we are going to choose colors that are a little bit more flashy. So we are going to select the red color. So let's use this red color right here. And now if we want to move our text, so pretty important, click on the text. You can move the text whatever you want. So as you can see right here, we only have one line, but let's say we want to add another line of text. So pretty simple, we're just going to click on the plus button right here, and we'll do the exact same thing. So basically we can add another text. So we'll write down text here. So here we wrote down never give up. And let's say we want to write down the name of the person who wrote the code. So it's gonna be by me. So by me. So it's written by me. Well, it has been written by me. Now let's say we want our text a little bit smaller. So instead of 50, we want it at 15. Let's say 20. 20 will be better. So we want it at 20. The color, let's change the color as well. We don't want a color that is too dark. Let's put it blue, just for the purpose of the example. So we have the color that is blue. What we want to change? We want to change the type of text as well. So in this case, let's say we want this type of text right here. So basically we can change everything that we want. We can even have 3D letters, it's possible. So right now we have, we have the text as we want it. We can put it whatever we want. So let's say we want our text right here, which is perfect. So as you can see, you can do whatever you want with text. There's a lot of other modifications that you guys can add and work with, which is pretty cool. But let's stay to the basics. So we have our quote right here, which is never give up. It's written by me. And now we want to add our picture right here. So as you can see, I created something that is really basic. So once again, pretty simple. Yes, the color maybe not perfect, but once again, it's just for the purpose of this example. So we can select everything right here, change the color. So right now we have our picture right there and our quote right here. So for those of you who want to create pictures with quotes, right now you are able to do it. And if I want to delete one text, so basically I don't want to keep this text right here, or I want to delete the by me text. So basically right now you only have the never give up. This is why you guys are working with layers. So you can, you choose with what you want to work, which is pretty cool. So as you can see here, you have everything that you need right now to be able to make basic modifications on pictures. So as I said, you right now know how to make pictures bigger, smaller, how to add text on picture, how to modify your text, and how to change the color of your text. So you can do pretty much anything you want. And if you want to become better at just this little part of the course, you can practice it, you can play with the text feature, and you'll see there is a lot of things that you can do just with this feature alone. So that's it for this class, guys, and see you all in our next class.